Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to update payment information on your iPhone iOS 18. For example, if you have recently made a payment and they have told you that you have false payment method and you have to change the payment method, or you have to simply update the payment method, and if any payment method is not working for you, then you have to simply update it. So how you can update your payment information on iPhone? So for this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to simply scroll it down until you find the option of general, and you have to simply scroll it down again and you have to find transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back. Now, if you want to update the payment information, then you have to simply click on name or Apple ID and you have to scroll it down until you find the option on media and purchases. So here you have to simply click on view account, and after that, what you have to do, you have to simply wait for some time so that a new kind of information is available. So here you have to simply check for the purchase history, and if it is showing any kind of pending payment, then you have to simply uh, provide the payment to the pending purchases. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to manage payments and you have to add or remove the payments. From here you have to simply click on manage payments, and if you do not have added any information related to payments, and you have to simply add the payment, and after adding the payments you have to simply update the payment information from here. So in this way you can simply update the payment information on your iPhone without any problem. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.